Welcome everybody to our REIT Fundamental and Valuation Bootcamp. We're very excited about this course, and it was designed to provide you with practical foundation level, really beginner level understanding of how real estate investment trusts operate, how they work, and to equip you with some of the skill sets and mentalities to be able to analyze a real estate investment trust or REIT effectively. By the end of this course, we hope you'll have a very strong grasp about how to interpret specific fundamentals associated with real estate investment trusts, at least have a beginner understanding of financial statements, property metrics, and financial metrics that's commonly used within the space, and also understand how to use this information to assess investment viability both in absolute and relative terms. We end off with a mini case study which takes everything we've learned throughout this course and applies it practically to a real life scenario. We hope that you have a fun and engaging learning experience, that you learned something new, and we look forward to hearing your feedback.